Welcome everyone, this is Professor Wellman. It's my pleasure to invite you and welcome you to the class. What you're looking at here is a screenshot of the announcements area. This is where you should look every time you enter the class. So please do read the welcome to the class, which I sent to your email, and follow the directions. And if you have any questions, please email. Every week you'll see the week agenda, and these are the main topics: who am I and the learning style assessment. So before you begin, you'll take the pre-test. It will close on Wednesday. You'll sign the certification. You'll review the materials in the Getting Started area. These are very helpful for you in terms of building your skills and performance academically. Post your introduction to the class and then look at the course overview and proceed to the Getting Started area where you would look at the materials there. The writing skills are listed here that are important for you. Then we get to the reading activities for the week, chapters 1 and 3. So for your homework, make sure you understand the discussion topic, and for your assignment due on Sunday, make sure you know how to do your learning style. Keiser Live will be offered at Tuesday at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. This will be a course overview for the entire course. There are direct links to the Keiser online library. So you might be aware of how to use those. These are new and make it much easier for you to get directly to the library. Please do use EBSCOhost or ProQuest databases. The discussion post grading grid is here also, and I'd like you to consider the content, your citations, your word count, timeliness, and writing skills. The week 1 discussion topic is about personal identity during adolescence and the possibility of suicide from bullying. So I have a couple of articles for you. One is by Portis et al. And that's right here. You can click on this and it will open up the article. Another one is Tracy, and click on this and it'll take you to her online article. Alternately, you can also go to the databases and enter adolescent suicide or teen suicide as subject terms and see what you can find in the literature. Optionally, I've given you some background on understanding Gilligan and Erickson and Kohlberg. This can help you if you're having trouble finding, like, what is the meaning of Gilligan? What was her purpose in developing her theory? So there's more written on her and how she was a colleague of Erickson and of Kohlberg. To publish or to purchase your e-textbook, you can go here, and there are some instructions there. You can get them directly from the publisher, and it's much more affordable than buying the textbook. You can see here it's $35.99. Might be a little more, I don't know, but the access is till September 10th, 2020, so it should be the same. The pre-test will close on Wednesday night, so please complete it and don't study for it. Okay, so that is the preview of the week. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks.